Hello, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox in Windows. So we will first download the VirtualBox. So to get the download link I am doing a Google search. So inside this we have Windows host. So click on this, which will give you the Windows binary for VirtualBox. So I am saving it before running it. It will take a while to download it. So I'll get back to you after the download is complete. So I'm going to skip the video. So now we have downloaded the VirtualBox. So I'm going to run it as administrator. That's very important, otherwise your installation will fail. You have to run it as an administrator. And Windows will ask your administrator username and password. In this case I have already given it. So we are not changing any default. So these are the default selected packages. So we will click the next. We are not going to customize anything. It's giving about network interfaces. Select it and let it install. It will take a while to complete the installation. So I'm shortening the video to skip that time. So in between you will see a message like this device driver software. This has to be installed. So I have selected the install. You can see an Oracle VM icon has come and we can start from here. We have already selected the start, and if we click finish, the VirtualBox will be started. You can see a VirtualBox has come up on my taskbar. Now our VirtualBox is running. Remember, it is running as an administrator right now because we have executed the installable as administrator.